In the heart of the Amazon, a tiny poison dart frog holds a secret deadlier than its size suggests. Its vibrant blue skin contains enough toxin to kill 10 grown men. Scientists discovered this microscopic assassin produces a neurotoxin 200 times more potent than morphine. Local indigenous tribes have used its poison for centuries, carefully extracting venom without touching the skin. 1 gram of this frog's toxin could wipe out an entire village. Yet, beneath its deadly exterior, the frog is fragile, vulnerable to environmental changes. Nature's most dangerous creatures are often its smallest, most unexpected weapons.